Hello dear students, in this video we will solve this question. What is the order of decreasing ionic radius? So here we have to find the ionic radius of these species, and if we see carefully these elements, that is sulfur, chlorine, aluminium and magnesium, these all are of third period of the periodic table. And if we go from left to right in the third period, then firstly magnesium will come, then aluminium will come, then sulfur, and then chlorine. So if in this question the atomic radius of these elements is asked, then the answer will be magnesium, aluminium, sulfur and chlorine. Then this will be the trend. But here we have to find the ionic radius of these ions, because here some anions are given and some cations are given. So we have to find the ionic radius of these elements. Firstly, we will talk about the cations. Magnesium 2 positive and aluminium 3 positive. So I'll use the pink color. Here Mg2 positive and Al3 positive is given. When 2 electrons are removed from the magnesium, then Mg2 positive will be formed, and when 3 electrons will be removed from the aluminium, then aluminium 3 positive will be formed. So here what happens? The number of protons in the nucleus remains same and the 2 electrons are removed. So number of electrons become less. So number of protons are more than the number of electrons by 2 in case of magnesium, and in case of aluminium number of protons are 3 more than number of electrons in case of aluminium. So here the number of protons are more than the number of electrons, due to which the pull by the nucleus to the electrons, or the attraction of the nucleus having the protons towards the electrons increases, or we can say effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge will increase due to which the size decreases. And in case of aluminium, 3 electrons are removed. That's why the number of protons are 3 more than the electrons, and these are more than magnesium. So effective nuclear charge will increase more in case of aluminium than the magnesium. So size of the aluminium 3 positive will be less than the Mg2 positive. And now we will discuss the anions. When sulfur atom gains 2 electrons, then it will become S2 negative. So number of protons are 2 less than number of electrons here, because 2 electrons are more, it gains 2 electrons. And in case of chlorine minus, number of protons number of electrons are 1 more than the number of protons in case of chlorine. So here the number of electrons in case of S2 negative are more than chlorine minus. So effective nuclear charge will decrease more in case of sulfur. Same reason, and here the due to the decrease in the effective nuclear charge, size will increase. So S2 negative will have more size than chlorine. So the highest size of the ionic radius will be in case of S2 negative, then chlorine, and here we have find that magnesium 2 positive will be of bigger size than aluminium 3 positive. So this should be the trend. So this is how we can solve these types of questions by using these effective nuclear charge concepts. And if still you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.